In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Roblox voice data uses option showing instead of voice chat. So first of all, launch open Roblox. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Roblox has been opened. Now what you have to do is tap on the more option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Normally, in order to access the voice chat, you would tap on the option settings. After that, you had to tap on this option privacy and content restriction. Now you can see various options over here. Simply tap on the option communication. Now in this interface, you would be able to see the option for voice chat. But you can see over here, instead of voice chat, you can see the option for voice data uses. So it is the update of Roblox. You'll not be able to see the direct option for voice chat. Instead of that, you can see this option for voice data uses. So if you want to use the feature of voice chat, for that what you have to do is simply open the app settings of the device. So for that, launch open app library of your device, find the application for Roblox and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now in the app info interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option permissions. Now make sure you've allowed the permission for microphone. If it is not allowed, tap on the option microphone. After you do that, make sure to select this option for allow only while using the app. Now the microphone permission for Roblox will be enabled. Now in order to use the voice chat feature, what you have to do is simply enter into the experience that allows the voice chat. Once you do that, tap on the play icon that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, that particular experience will be opened. Now if this experience allows you to enable the voice chat, you will be able to see the microphone icon in this interface. You can simply tap on it in order to enable the voice chat. Availability of this icon will depend upon the experience that you entered into. So like this, you'll be able to use the voice chat within the experience itself. You'll not need the separate option for voice chat within the settings of the app. So that is how you fix Roblox voice data uses instead of voice chat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.